Hi everyone, Cat Mania here, and today I want to do a quick tutorial on Sizzix small die cutting machine, the SideKick. They do have the bigger one, the Big Shot, but today I have all these die cuts and embossits, and I wanted to show you how to use this little die cutting machine called the SideKick. This particular SideKick and all these die cuts will be going away to Tita Elliot, and I wanted to show her how to use the machine before she gets it, so that when it does arrive she can go ahead and be familiar with it and start playing. So the first thing we need to do is pick out a die cut and see what happens. Oops, that's not gonna work. I did want to mention that you can also make these lovely rosettes. It comes in a strip like this. This is not it. This is a cobblestone. I couldn't find it, but it's long like this, and this will also slip into the die cutting machine. It comes with cutting boards as well, cutting plates, but in the length of this strip. But if you don't have the cutting boards, you can always take two of these, one on the top layer and then the other one for the bottom to sandwich it in, and you'll be able to make it. All you would need to do is just get the rosette strip. It's a Sizzix. Anyway, so that's also what you'll be able to do with this little machine. You can emboss. This is embossed. We'll go ahead and do that. So you just simply open this one up. This will emboss, and it'll also cut it for you. Just sandwich your paper in between, just like that. Then we're going to take a plate, put one on the top, and we're going to put one on the bottom. Then we'll be able to come right into here. Then just slide it right in. Now you have all this space right here. You don't need to go all the way there. You just come right here where the die is. You heard that clicking? That's chomping down on the paper, pressing down. And then just come right back. Remove it. And there you go. Now, so it can emboss and cut for you. These adapters right here will also be used as a sandwich, and let me get that set up. So I'm going to take this die cuts, as you can see, the palm tree is a little too big for it, but you can always do a two-part. Cut the palm tree. Well, actually, I don't think you can. So no. Looking further into it, you can see that it's just not going to work. It doesn't fit through the slot. So this is too big and it's not going to work. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and make our sandwich. We lay down the first layer of plastic, the paper. Let's go ahead and make a leaf. And let's make a flower. Okay, so I have the flower and the leaf, but the thing is it's just between the two plastic and the paper. It's too loose, so it's not going to work, right? And that's where these little black adapters come in. So we simply just take the adapter and layer it on top. Okay. Now, actually what we can do is we can put it on top of the, underneath the plastic plate. Okay, I've made the adjustment and I've put it underneath the black plate. Now we can go ahead and slide it through. And see, by having it on this plastic, on this plexiglass, it really makes it easier to go through. Once you get to this end, you can just reverse it, just to assure that it's got a crisp cut. Pull it out. And there you go. It looks like that one could have used a better cutting. Let's see if we can fix it. Be right back. So I've gone ahead and put the flower back in because it didn't cut all the way. And I'll just go ahead and put it back in the machine. Just run it through one more time. Let's see what happens. And there it is. No problem. Okay, you can do the same thing with these girls. We have an array of girls. It's the same procedure here. I've gone ahead and done it. Cut the girl out. And then all you need to do is you just color it afterwards. See? So that's what it looks like after you've done the die cut. You'll have a heart that you can cut, and a 1.5 circle cut, you'll get, each one of these packs has 2 cutting plates, so you'll receive these 2 cutting plates along with the one that I practiced on. And these adapter plates to help you layer, make sandwich. And just have fun, Tita. I hope this tutorial helped you out. And I'll be sending it soon. And everyone else, if you have a SideKick, Sizzix die cutter, I hope this helped you out a little bit if you were unsure how to use it. There's lots of tutorials on how to use the framelits with a magnetic sheet, and lots of die cutting that you can do with the different shapes and sizes, so long as it just fits the standard cutting board dimensions, and then you're good to go. Anyway, SideKick Mania signing off for now, and thanking you so much for taking the time to stop by. Hope you leave a comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.